Hello to all of you dear friends, welcome to the Binary Wins channel. I'm with you with another series of videos on trading using CandleStick Psychology tips on the PocketOption broker. We're going to make a few trades, review some tips, rules and patterns together. So stay with me until the end of the video. Dear viewers, before starting the video, if you would like to support me, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the channel link with those who are interested in professional activity in the binary options market. Also, to start your activity in this market, use the registration and login links in the video description and receive a 50 to 100% initial bonus to start practicing and trading. Okay, we are on the AUD-CAD currency pair in the OTC market. As you can see, our trend is a strong downtrend. Okay? A golden area has formed here. After that, a marble candlestick is on support level. You can see which is why the next candlestick is green. Okay? I'm waiting for the candlestick to close. I entered a higher trade. Look. The trend is going up. The candlestick has accelerated from the level. You can see that the candlestick received pressure and rejection from the level. On the other hand, there is a gap and distance to the resistance level. That's why I entered a higher trade. We're waiting for our position to be closed. It's okay. Notice there is a gap between the candles. A big candle formed, and because this big candle received a rejection from the level, I entered a higher trade. The candle will probably turn up to cover this gap and the distance from the open price of the next candle. So, because of the formation of a big candle that received a rejection from the level, I entered a higher trade. We wait. The power is still in the hands of sellers. A lower high has formed compared to the previous high. You can see that our green candle has crossed the level. Because of the gap to the next level, in the continuation of the retracement trend, I entered a higher trade. You can see that a strong green candle has formed, which has pressure and rejection from below. It's okay, my entry point was not a good entry point. I entered 2 higher trades. If you notice, a 4 candlestick pattern or FC pattern has formed for me here. I have already fully trained this pattern. The pattern is formed on the level. The first candle is green, the second candle is green, the third is red. That's why I entered 2 higher trades on the 4th candle to compensate for the previous position. Well, we can also draw a trend line here. To draw a trend line, we need at least 2 points. I'll wait. The reason I didn't enter the trade is because of the gap between the candles. On the other hand, the candles have reacted to our trend line twice before, and there is a possibility of the price reversing after reaching the trend line. Now, if the red candle engulfs the previous candle, we can enter the trade using the trend line pattern. Okay, I entered the lower trade. I'm also placing a trade higher than the previous entry point. Look, once, twice, and the third time the previous behavior is repeated. 1, 2, and 3. On the other hand, the red candle engulfed the green candle. At the first entry point, I waited for the candle to touch the level first, and after receiving the rejection, I entered the lower trade. Don't forget that our chart consists of large candles or candles with small bodies and large shadows, which means that the market is volatile and risky. Okay, I'm searching a little to find a more suitable and calm chart. You can see that today we have both the OTC and the main market. But if I click on the main currency pair, look, for trading in floating time, the floating time automatically changes to 2 minutes. That is, the minimum floating time for trading in the main currency pairs is 2 minutes in the PocketOption broker. Look, once again, I enter an OTC currency pair. I set the time to M1, but when I open a main currency pair, it automatically changes to M2. So, for floating trading, we either need to set the candle time to 2 minutes, or if we want to trade in 1 minute time, we need to switch to fixed time trading. But the difference is that in fixed time, every second of the candle you enter a position, your trade will be closed 1 minute later. So don't forget this point. Okay, AUR CHF currency pair in the main market. We can make a trade in fixed time of 1 minute. You can see that our trend is an uptrend. As I said, in uptrends at least 70% of the volume and momentum are at the disposal of buyers. So, it is better to try to trade in the direction of the trend. You can see, on the left side, we have a level. I well drew it. My candle received a rejection exactly from the level. I entered a lower trade. Why? Of course, our trade time is on a fixed minute. If you look closely, an M or double top pattern has formed at the end of the uptrend for me. On the other hand, there is a gap and a distance to the round number level and also to the neckline of the double top pattern. See? We have a gap to the neckline and to the round number level. So, to complete the pattern, I entered a lower trade after 3 red candles. Okay, we can do another trade. Let's wait. let me check another currency pair. I entered a lower trade. If you look closely, our candle closed at the level and received pressure and rejection from the level. I can also draw a trend line here. The candles have tried to cross this line several times, but each time they have failed. That's why there is a possibility of a red candle forming after the green candle reaches the trend line and received rejection from it. Very good. We lost 2 trades, but with management, care, and patience, we were able to make up for the lost trades. Candlestick psychology requires a lot of repetition, study, and practice. And it is a knowledge that you can use to understand the language of candles and talk to them, analyze their behavior, and then predict their next moves. So don't forget that regular practice and effort will make you gain sufficient skill and mastery over the charts and the market. Remember that you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.